Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda Fury. This factory-built chopper, 1300cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected. Got only 1,400 miles on the odometer. It's got an awesome sounding exhaust. This bike is for someone who wants to make a little bit of noise. Come on by, make your chopper dreams come true. That's a beautiful thing about this. You got chopper style and Honda reliability. Price to sell just $69.99. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.